right, so we have the Eachine E021 flying motorcycle, and here it says motorcycle with ground and flight dual mode. So I have no idea what that means. It doesn't move, like it doesn't have wheels. So I don't know how it can have a ground mode. Maybe we'll test it out here on the table just to see what that's all about. But in the box, we get a typical Eachine instruction manual, which is like super thick because they have 5 different languages in here. Here we have a pouch full of propellers, screwdriver, and USB charger. Take a look at this controller. Let's check the controller out. Okay, well they have this cardboard piece over here, so it does tell you all the functions on this cardboard piece. I actually wish they would put it on the controller. This is a non-altitude hold drone. Also, this does take 3 AAA batteries. Now for the drone, it is pretty much all foam. Here is the battery. Ooh, kind of a small battery there. We have a 3.7 volt, 300 milliamp hour LiPo battery. So we're gonna test this out. Actually, I'm gonna test it out right now with the ground mode to see how that actually works. But here you can see is where you plug it in. So kind of have to have small fingers to get in there. Okay, we got it plugged in. We'll close the battery hatch there, and if you look, you might be able to fit a slightly bigger battery in there actually. And then right here is the on and off switch. So there is the LED flashing there in the front. So we have power. Let's turn this on. Up, down to bind. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's test out this ground mode. Okay. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Here, I don't know if you can turn it around and ow! Whoa! Alright, well, that was ground mode. Okay, now let's switch over to flight mode. Alright, so it does fly. We're going to take this outside where we have a lot more space to fly this around. It's pretty cool. I was not expecting it to be like this, but it is pretty neat. Alright, we saw the ground mode, and now we're going to try the flight mode. Turn this on, turn this on. We'll do the up, down, and bind. Let's hit flight mode just in case. And here we go. Whoa. That just looks really weird, seeing a motorcycle flying in the sky like that. It flies really good though. Let's see here. I forget the buttons now, but I think this is the flip. Yes, it is. You see that? Oh, kind of lost some altitude there. Let's flip again. It looks really cool.
Oh, it doesn't do rolls. So it just does front flips and back flips. That looks awesome. Let's try a front flip now. Whoa, front flip took it right to the ground. Okay, let's go a little higher for a front flip. Oh, there we go. And oh, there it kind of bobbled a little bit. The flips are pretty cool. It looks really awesome to see the motorcycle flying around like this. So there's other rates too. Let's go into a higher rate. See, you hear the two beeps, and oh yeah. Let's see if there's a higher rate. See if there's a third rate on it. Nope, just two beeps. So there's a low rate and a high rate. That's it. This thing like turns on a dime. Oh, okay. So I left off the throttle a little bit there just to bring it down. Oh. So one thing I noticed is if you do too much at one time, it starts to lose altitude. Can definitely tell it's getting weaker. Yeah, it won't let me do any flips anymore, and there it comes down to the ground, and that is it. So not a long run time, but it is pretty cool when it is in the air. So that was the Eachine E021, and I like it. It's pretty cool. It doesn't do any rolls side to side, but it does do front flips and back flips, and I think it's pretty awesome. Right over here is a little subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.